Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I make daily vlogs and it's so much fun. I really want you guys to join my family and like this video. So today I'm going to start my day with a workout cause today I'm washing my hair and I have applied baby oil all over my hair as a hair mask. And yes, let's go ahead and start the workout. Today I'm going to dance in Nepali song cause I'm so tired of Wii songs, to be honest. So I want to dance in Nepali songs and do my cardio workout. By the way, I'm wearing this red top from Primark and this leggings from Primark as well. Just finished my workout. Let's see how many calories I have burned today by working out. So I've burned 221 calories and that was amazing. This is my first time dancing in Nepali songs and doing my workout, but it was not enough, so I went running upstairs and downstairs and did some jogging as well, so it feels like a cardio workout since Wii is already designed for cardio workouts, but Nepali songs are like, you know, in the same pace, so that's why I did my, you know, running and stops to make it even more harder and worth it. That was awesome. So guys, I was doing my rituals and I forgot to eat my breakfast. Not that ritual guys, using my iPhone, that kind of ritual, you know. I was like checking my Instagram, Facebook and my YouTube comments and stuff like that, and I totally forgot about my breakfast. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast because it's already 9:30 and I'm super hungry right now. So this is my breakfast for today: toast with butter, sausage, egg, hash brown, tomatoes and some mushrooms. Yummy! Can't wait to eat this guys. Let's go ahead and eat this. So I just washed my face. Now I'm going to apply this face mask which my brother and sister they got me from Singapore. It is a aloe soothing gel. So let's go ahead and apply this. Oh, it's so nice. It's very cooling already.
All done. I'm gonna leave it for wow.
Sorry guys, but yeah, I'm gonna leave this for around 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it and take my shower as well. So guys, I just took my shower and oh my god, it was a very cold shower because I forgot to put my hot water on. I went in and I was like, oh, it's too late now. Luckily it's sunny today and it is 7 degrees, so yeah, it was alright, but the water was super cold guys. I showered so quickly. I think I only took 2 minutes, and I know guys, it is so hard to shower in a cold water, but I made it. I'm still alive and I saved the water because I didn't use a lot of water, so it is a win-win situation. So guys, I'm eating my lunch right now and today I'm eating sausage and egg Chowmein, and today I'm going to eat this and also film a mukbang video for you guys. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start eating cause I'm super hungry, and today I'm also eating this chocolate which my husband got for me from Germany. And yes, let's go ahead and start eating. I love Chowmein. What is your favorite Nepali fast food? Mine is momo and Chowmein. Whenever I go out to eat in Nepal, momo and Chowmein, and spring roll as well. By the way, that was me drinking the water. So, how was your day, guys? So far I'm having a chill day, not doing much. By the way, I have uploaded a recipe for Chowmein, so if you guys want to try the Chowmein, then go ahead and watch that video. Chowmein is super easy to make. Anybody can make this, to be honest. My plate is all clear, so it's time to eat this chocolate. It is yogurt flavored chocolate and it looks like this. The inside is white color and it is strawberry flavored chocolate. It's so nice. Yesterday also I was eating strawberry flavored chocolate, but this one is strawberry yogurt chocolate, and the one I ate yesterday, it was strawberry and cream white chocolate, I believe. Last bite. So that's all for my mukbang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more. So guys, I just finished doing the mukbang video and the chow mein was really delicious. And if you guys liked this sort of mukbang videos, then please give me a thumbs up and let me know you would like to see more mukbang videos from me. So far I've been loving doing this mukbang videos and I will keep on doing, not daily. This is my second day of doing mukbang in a row, but yeah, I will keep on doing that for you all. So thank you so much for watching my mukbang videos. By the way, I just removed my liquid lipstick because after eating my food it was so messy and didn't look very nice. And I want to ask you guys, do you guys also go through the same problem? Cause me, I cannot avoid the lipstick getting all smudgy while eating. You know, I'm a messy eater, so the lipstick is no more there after my food. So yeah, I just removed it and it is so much better now. For my husband, I have just cooked this fried rice. I had lots of leftover rice, so I thought I will make him fried rice. This is one of his favorite dish. I have added sauces, egg, and looks really delicious. I hope he will enjoy this yummy lunch. So I just changed my bedding and it looks really cute. My duvet is in pink color with lots of roses. That's really cute. I have a question for you guys. How often do you change your beddings? For me, it depends on my mood. Sometimes I'm too lazy to change the bedding. Since it's clean, I don't change it every other day cause that's a bit too much. Yeah, and look at this. My beddings, they don't even match, but it's okay cause it's just me and my husband living here. Who cares if something is matching or not? I don't want anything to be perfect as long as it's nice and clean like this, you know. So these are my dirty sheets and duvets. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the washing machine. I'm gonna pick a nail polish for myself. Last time I applied this color. I want something else this time. I might try this color. It is like a minty blue color. So guys, it's right now almost 3 p.m. and I'm editing my videos. I've also applied my nail polish few hours ago. So yes guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates, and see you guys soon. Bye.